All right. Let's check things here. Audio test. Hearing. The speaker, it's fine. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. The microphone is it's fine as well. Let's share. Right. Share here. Let's have a look if it's working. This one. In conclusion. All right, I think everything's working. All right. Let's share again. Let's see this one. Yeah, so let's see if it's working, everything. I'm going to show the things for them on screen. Right, crystal, online learning, materials for the next class. It's working. It's working. Material 2, online. Activity. All right. People. Oh, it's done. So everything it's working. So let's share. All right. I think everything's fine. Everything's working. Let's only wait. The other thing, the chat here. It's working. Let's see some reactions. All right, the information apps. Everything's working well. We need to wait the participants. All right. She's coming.
You can see me?
Not yet.
We can see a J.
Let's see now. Yes.
There we go. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, guys, welcome. Welcome, everyone. So let's start our class today. So my name is Juliana. I'll be your trainer for today. And I know we have Luis, Helpson, and Jamayo. So, yeah, so could you hear me or see me clearly, guys? So to answer
Yep.
this question, so hold on, to answer this question, try to use the chat because you can make sure everything is working, okay?
Okay, everything is working here.
Okay. So give me an answer if you can see me. Yes, okay. Thank you, Jamayo. All right, everyone. Perfect. But if you have any technical issues, let me know. You can use the chat or you can email me and then I try to support you. Okay? We have some materials, we have other things that can support you, the class for today. So, okay, guys, I also want to make sure we are all safe, feel safe, respected, and supported in this online environment, okay? A few quick reminders to help you work well together. So please mute your microphone when you are not speaking to reduce background noise. Feel free to use the chat box or raise your hand to ask questions. Let's use inclusive, respectful language. We are here to support each other. And if you feel uncomfortable or have any issues at any time, so please reach out privately in the chat or email me after the section, okay? And because we are learning from home, it's important to look after your physical well-being too. So please sit in a comfortable position with good back support. So take breaks when you need to and keep some water nearby to stay hydrated, okay? They are all part of creating a safe and healthy online learning space. I will share my screen with you guys to start our class. All right, so many things here. What I need to remove for my left side. Too much. All right. Can you see the screen, guys?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay, you can use your hand, you can use your thumb. All right. So our topic today is online learning. We're gonna learn a little bit more the system that you're gonna use for our future classes. How you need to find the materials, how you can use the simple tools that you have in the platform, and how you can find the assessments and how you can upload your assessment, okay? Oh, it's not going. Not. So, as I told you right now, today we're gonna cover, explore how online learning works, get comfortable with the tools here. So I know that you are very easygoing with the chat now. Discuss expectations and support available. So you know I'm here, so you can email me or use the chat here, and then can try do my best and support you if you have any technical issues. And try out features like chatty, microphone, camera, and emojis. And finish with preparation for the next section and a quick activity. Okay, so let's move on. Oh, not yet. So I think it's nice to start with a little game here in our first activity. So guys, I want you to use the chat to answer the questions, okay? So I will try to call some statements, and if applied to you, only type me. All right, so let's go. It's this game called Digital Bingo. Mhm.
Mhm.
The first statement I will tell you how has done online shopping. You can say if it apply to you, only type me or not me. No,
Mhm.
in your case. All right, so only I need to open my chat here, then I can see. So many screens I need to open. All right, yes, me, everyone. Yes. Has used Zoom before? This platform now, we are, oh, yep, yes, everyone, good. So you already know what I need to do in here in this platform. Good. So prefers working in the evening because now the class now around 8:30 p.m. No, yes, I know. Yes, me. People don't work at all. Yeah, it's good. The next one likes learning by watching
Jamile,
videos.
no. By
No, I
watching
prefer.
videos?
Yes,
Yes.
I do
likes
prefer.
learning by watching videos.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Passive learning.
Oh yeah,
Not passive
videos
learning.
from Instagram or Facebook.
Yes.
No, you need to say no. But it's fine. Is nervous about technology?
No.
Oh, good.
Yes.
Okay, guys, thank you for playing with me today. It was quite fun. This is an example that you can interact and build more communication now in this environment in the online class. So let's move on. Oops, it's here. What is online learning? Let's discuss this topic here before we go through our platform we're gonna use for our future classes. Let's talk about this, Luis. In your own words, what do you think online learning is?
I don't know. The way of learn or study things using technology, I don't know, internet, computers, yeah, and different platforms.
Yes, exactly. Maybe online learning is more flexible. Yeah, because you're gonna use the internet, so you are some not all the time, but sometimes at home, in your environment that you like to be. So it's more flexible for everyone.
Recorded classes in my pace.
Exactly. So you can do this much more. You can say the word for your answer is flexibility.
Sure.
All right? Yeah. Okay. Jamayo, so for you now, can you think of a benefit of learning in this way?
Yeah. You can learn in your house
Yeah.
and you don't have to travel.
Oh, yeah, exactly. So the same, I think you keep the same word here, flexibility. So you
Yeah.
can do at home. Usually you can do the time that you are free or you have more time to do it. It can be evening or can be the other times of the day. Yes,
Yeah.
for sure. And Helpson, what about a challenge on online learning? What do you think you can tell me?
Challenge.
So
Well, I think
Mhm.
yes, a challenge would be, well, the person needs to learn online. The person needs to know how to use some pieces of technology. So they need to be able to use a computer or smartphones or tablet, and maybe connectivity as well. So you actually need to be you need to have internet access, and
Yeah,
this could be challenging depending on the person's location,
can
or
be expensive, no, sometimes.
can be expensive.
Yeah,
Yes, yes.
yeah. Okay, thank you guys for your answers. So let's move on to talk a little bit more about this topic. Okay. So in online learning, guys, we have 3 types of different classes you can do it. This one have been doing right now. So Synchronous. This is in real time. So you can have some interactions. You can talk, can discuss, and do everything in the same time when the time it's happened. The other point, when you don't have much time to do this, because sometimes you need to schedule or you need to make free or available to do the Synchronous way. But asynchronous way, so you can watch videos, you can see some materials that you can have in your platform and in your free time. So maybe your free time is only in the evening or early morning, and then you can do whatever you want. And the other way you can do online learning is the blended way. It's a mix of these two. I can give you an example. For example, before online class, you have to watch a video or read like a booklet or something that you have to understand more the class you're gonna have after this. Okay, guys? All right, so now we know a little bit more about online learning, and now we're gonna go through our learning management system. So, or LMS, sorry. So this link here, I send you to your email, guys, like an invitation. You're gonna use for our materials, assessments, and so on the platform that called Classroom on Google. If you wanna go through with me, you are very welcome, okay? So what you're gonna do right now, I will show you guys the platform, and then you're gonna see the learning modules, you're gonna see the discussion boards where you can do this, the links for live sections or videos you can access, and where you can upload your assessments. All right, so I will close this. Oops, sorry. I will close this one here. All right, and then let's go to the platform that we're gonna use for our course. Only open here. Okay, guys, can you see the platform?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yep.
Yes. So guys, this one is from Louis' platform. It's not my platform because my platform, because I'm the trainer, it's a little bit different, okay? So I will show you what you're gonna see in your platform. So when you accept the invitation, you're gonna come to this initial page. So you can click home, and then you're gonna see your classes. So you're enrolling this one, online learning, and then you can click or double click, and then you're gonna show through what you're gonna see for everything. So in the second page, when you go into online learning page, you can see that I upload a lot of things for our class. And also, we have a space that you can discuss. You can write down whatever you want. I don't know if I can do this. Oh, I can. All right. For example, online learning class was amazing. Let's see.
You said I can see my
and
face
then the other
there.
ones, like Helbson or Jamayo, can put your comments, and then you can talk with each other. Okay, this space is for that. And then the next tab here is classwork. So you're gonna double click, and then you're gonna see the first class. It's about online learning, so I have been doing right now, and then you can see the materials. So the first one is only a quiz. So you have to complete this before our class. I hope that you have done this. All right. So if you have done this, I could understand a little bit more about you. If it's not, it's fine. So you have until tomorrow to complete it, okay? And then other materials that I will show you. So only double click, one click actually. And then this one, you can see a video that explains about this platform, the Google Classroom. And then you can understand more about the tools, what you can do. If you have some questions or doubts about how you can, for example, apply your assessments, or how and where you can find your materials and so on, okay? Everything is free. Everything is free. That I put here, it's free. So another material, so I sometimes I put a little introduction for you guys to understand a little bit more what's coming. And this one, it's like a folder, if I'm not wrong. Yes, a folder that you can has a few instructions for you to understand the very special things you can do in this platform. Very simple, with some pictures you can see. And it's a very good one, actually. If you have any question, you can come to this one. The next one is a video, a YouTube video that explains, because sometimes you're more, you prefer more listening than reading, or the style is better for you. So I put for you as well a video. It's quite the same as the other folder, the explanation about this platform, okay? And when you finish our class, you're gonna have assessment for today. So you have a little instruction here, and then you're gonna double click, and then you can see what you need to do. In this case, you need to answer some questions. You need to write down around 350 500 words for that, and then have some criteria here where you're gonna see if you have complete or not, and tips for success. And then when you be aware, sorry, we need to come here. Here, sorry. When you go through this, you can see in your right, you can complete, you can do your assessment in your words or other type of, I don't know, other type of things you can use in the computer and upload here. Okay, you can double click, or you can upload whatever you have done. And then mark as done. When you mark as done, in my platform, I can see you have done the assessment, and then I can correct and mark your assessment, okay? And also, if you have some questions here, you can ask me the question privately, okay? No one can see your question if you want to. Or if you wanted to discuss with your colleagues, you can add your comments down here. All right, guys?
Yeah, good.
Yes. Very simple and to use, and very nice. I really like this one. All right. So, and then I come back here. Then you can see the next one. So our next section will be about manual handling, but you don't need to access this right now. It's only to make sure that everything will be here in your platform that you need, okay? And people, the other one, you can see me, and you can't see your colleagues. Okay, only me, I can see your colleagues. Okay, in my platform, I can see everyone. Okay?
Because you are the only teacher.
Sorry. You can tell.
Because you are the only teacher, I mean.
Yes, yes. In this model, yes. I'm only the one.
But can I see the colleagues here, the students?
Actually, no, you can't. But I can if I go in my platform of people. I can see. Because
but there is still grayed out.
maybe because you need to accept the invitation first, and then I think everyone, you'll be able to see everyone. Okay, it's only because you need to accept first the invitation. I think this is the reason. And then in my platform, I can do the marks. Okay, so you can't see right now. It's only to have a look the marks because Luis have done. So all right, and that's it, guys. This is the platform we're gonna use for our course. Okay, for this section, for the online learning, and the next one about the manual handling. Are you all right with that, guys?
Yeah.
Any questions?
No, very simple.
Very simple, yes. All right, let's come back to my slides here. Can you see the slides?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Oh.
No, actually, let's put it here. Here. And now? Yes. So many screens. All right. So now you know how you need to find the discussion boards, the videos, the materials, videos and the other ones, and how you need to upload your assessments. So I will give some tips for success. So turn on time like you did today. We have a few troubles with Jamayo today. It's only 4 minutes later, but now it's because she couldn't find actually the link, but it's fine, totally fine. So use clear and respectful language online. Mute, please, your microphone when you're not speaking. Ask questions. You know, guys, there is no such thing as a silly one. And if you are stuck, email me because I can help you if you have any technical issues. All right?
All right.
All right. So give me some feedback, guys.
Yeah, very good.
Yeah.
Explanation. Now I have to try.
Okay, let's do the final game, okay? Pool game. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes.
I am.
Let's go. A question for you guys. Now you can talk, okay? We don't need to use the chat. What do you think will help you most in this course? Working in your own time, group discussions, videos, or downloading guides? What do you think? You can start here in my screen. First is Luis, then Helpson, and the final one is Jamayo. So Luis, will you tell me? What do you think?
Should I pick up one or should I say in order of relevance?
Actually, it's up to you. It's only it's only you can answer me.
In order of relevance, A first, then D, C, or C and B, maybe. I don't know. But
So
A
what
is the
was the
first
first one? Sorry?
A.
Work in your own time. Okay. And you help. So what do you think for you?
I think I like to talk, so I think group discussions would be something that would be
So the
relevant
first one for you is group discussion.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The same for me. Group
the same for you?
In your own time, it's good one.
Yeah.
And after that, what would you pick up?
Me?
No, Robson and Jamayo.
Helps. The first one was group discussion, and the next one.
What's the second option?
In order.
It would definitely be working in my own time, I think.
I knew that as well.
Yeah.
The same? Yes.
And
I
you,
think
Jamayo?
the first two are the most important. Yeah.
Yeah,
The most
nice.
helpful, actually, not important, but the most helpful when you use like an internet or online class.
Yeah, true.
Okay, guys, thank you so much for everything. Any quick question before we finish today?
No, thank you, Juliana.
Thank you, Jamayo.
Oh yeah, thanks for our explanation. Thanks for our time. When will be the next class?
The next class will be in a few days,
Okay.
and it'll be here in an online environment
Will
again.
be online. Okay.
Online, you'll be online. Yes.
So should we save the date, right?
Yes. Are you sending you the invitation again? Everything you'll be saying to you before the class.
Okay.
Okay?
Sounds a good plan.
Okay, guys. So before we finish it today, I would like to go over what we need to prepare for the section 2. All right? So you will be completing a short asynchronous activity that focuses on safe manual handling. Here, what do you need to do? So first, you need to go to the platform, so the Google Classroom, and watch the video. So manual handling techniques, do's and don'ts. And then pay close attention to the safe and unsafe techniques shown, okay? Then you need to download and complete the manual handling safety checklist. So you need to tick off any safe practice you see and highlight any unsafe one shown in the video. Next, I would like you to complete the quick reflection. So you can either record a 2-minute audio or video, or you can write down a short paragraph. And make sure you need to answer these 3 questions. The first one, what is one unsafe practice you noticed in the video? The second question, how would you apply the safe manual handling in a real life? And then what's one tip you remember for the future? So there is also an option discussion post on the platform. So in the first page of Google Classroom. So if you'd like, you can share what you learned and respond to one of your peers. All right. So this activity is it's due soon. So it needs to be completed just before the section 2. So you'll be in a few days. So make sure that you give yourself time to complete it, okay? And if you have any trouble accessing the platform, the Google Classroom, the checklist, or record your reflection, just let me know. I'm very happy to help you. So now I will try to share again my screen to come back to the last page. Just a minute, guys. I only do this right now. Okay. Okay. So thank you for today, and thanks so much for having me here. And see you next time. Bye.
All right, thank you. Bye.
Okay, let's